You see these batteries, one was brand new in 2017 and the other ones were brand new in 2019. Well, the ones that I bought that are 2 years old, that are 3 or 4 AGM batteries, they're down in the junk shed because they're already dead. They were dead before 2 years. I contacted eBay, heard nothing. Contacted the guy. Well, they might last. They're supposed to last 2 to 4 years. Well, they didn't even make 2 years. He didn't even after me nothing. It's the biggest scam I ever saw. $270 or whatever down the tube. They're supposed to be solar batteries. They can't even keep a 12-volt light on. It's a scam. They won't even take a charge with an electronic charger.